welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and I am back with a new skincare review. I'm so excited. As always, y'all know what. So we are talking about, do you hear somebody just slam that door? Rude. Anyways, we're here talking about Knours. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I think it's supposed to be like yours, but I'm not entirely sure. They sent me some of their stuff. I've been trying it for, oh God, a while. It's probably been 2 or so months. And I have my thoughts all the way together and I'm excited to bring it to you guys. So they have quite a few things in their line. They try to be as all natural as possible, very safe ingredients. You'll see some brands, it's like they're exciting off the jump. This one's exciting when you get into it, and I'm just really excited. I was so hyped up to do this review because I'm pretty impressed. Like I'm really impressed, and y'all know, especially when it comes to these skincare reviews, especially when it's more than like a couple products, there's gonna be some I don't like, but we'll see. So first, I'm going to start with the Your Only facial cleanser. Retails for $28. This is an oil to foam cleanser. It comes with a little pump and it is 98% natural ingredients, which we love. Some of the claims are to remove your makeup and cleanse in one step. It has glycerin, which is good for dry skin. I've kind of been on a glycerin kick more so than like my hyaluronic acids and whatnot. I still love it, nothing's changed, but as far as having glycerin in products, I've been noticing a really big difference in my skin. And then there's also cocoa betaine, which is just a very gentle cleansing agent. On its own, it wouldn't even be enough to like cleanse like adult skin. Like it's something you might use on like a baby, so it's really gentle, which I love. And then it also has citric acid, which is not the best for sensitive skin, but it is really anti-aging, which I always love a little bit of that in all of my products. So as far as the pros of my personal experience, I like this. It's gentle, but it is effective. I did have a chemical burn for a while. I will be doing a routine showing you guys how I got rid of it. And I switched to completely oil cleansers and everything gentle. As my chemical burn healed, I did notice that like I do have combination skin. Like I have oily skin. I have do have drier bits, dried normal bits on my skin, but my T-zone is oily. My chin, like right here, it gets oily. Like I can feel it when it's not clean. And this is one of those where it's like, okay, it's still gentle, but if I wash thoroughly enough, I know I don't have any residual oils. So I really like this. It was kind of that perfect intermediate clean that I needed, just to keep my skin from getting clogged pores, but also not irritating the still sensitive parts of my face. So I was really impressed with that. It worked perfectly for what I needed at that time. I like that a little goes a long way with it. The pump is effective. I've actually like recently, it's just like some shampoo that I got from Not Your Mother's, and like none of the pumps worked on them. And I'm like, I don't know if it's like the store that I bought it from or them, but I just like, I've never appreciated pumps more after like buying something with a pump that didn't work at all, and it's been like a major inconvenience. So really appreciate that. And then it doesn't strip my skin, which is amazing. The cons, basically just the claim that you would use this as a makeup remover and cleanser. Like, yeah, maybe if I was like at a hotel for a night or something. I don't know why I'd be at a hotel for a night. That sounds skeevy, but you know what I mean. Like if I was just like, I need to throw one thing in my bag, something really quick. Yeah, I could double cleanse with this and my skin would probably be okay, but it wouldn't be like something I would every day use to take my makeup off and cleanse at the same time in one cleanse even. It's an oil and you're not supposed to have any water on your hands when you first put it on, but even then with no water on your hands or your face, it will still do that. Like, you know when you rub soap into something dry, it turns white and like that weird little texture, like that's what happens to this. It doesn't start off like an oil perhaps, if you know what I mean. I think it's hard to even formulate something that goes straight up like from an oil like to foam. So from that standpoint, it being like a 2-in-1, not really. It's nice, gentle, foaming, oil-based cleanser. You know what I mean? But would I repurchase this? Yeah, I would. I like it. My skin hasn't broken out. I've just I've had a good experience with it. I really have liked keeping it in the shower. Number one, because it has a pump. And then number two, it's perfect if I have just used my cleansing balm. It's perfect if I've just used facial oil. It's perfect if I just need to wash my face. You know what I mean? Like, it's a good second step, but it's also a good first step in the morning when I don't double cleanse. So I like it. This is a product I was kind of like, okay, but I feel that way about every facial mist. I am a facial mist skeptic. I am the first one to turn my nose up and be like, oh, okay, it's really gonna do something for me. Like, okay, show me. It did. It showed me. It showed me. I'm gonna give it to them, but they showed me. This is the Be Kind Double Duty Mist. Its claims is to protect the natural barrier of the skin, as well as have a dual use. So basically, when it comes to the dual use, is if your skin is oilier or it's just having a really good balanced day, not needing too much moisture, just spray. No need to shake. You know, just use the bottom, which is more the aloe vera and botanical blend. And then if you do need that extra boost, which is what I do at night, then you're gonna wanna shake it up and you're gonna wanna mix up the jojoba oil in there. And then you'll have a more nourished, more moisturized, definitely it's kind of like a milkier mist. So this does have licorice root extract, which is an acne fighter. It brightens your skin. It has centella extract, which is good for wound healing, which is great for your skin barrier. This is another thing that I used when I had my chemical burn that really did help me seal in moisture. Also has vitamin E, squalene, and aloe, which is really good for dry skin. Pros of this, it's hydrating. You can actually feel it. Like, it's one of those where it's like, oh, like, it doesn't feel like there's water on your face. There's a very big difference between, yes, I feel a mist on my face and I feel just like water kind of drying on my face, but this is different. This is like a veil. You really can feel it. You know what I mean? Like, it has a heaviness to it. There's a weight to it. Whether you shake it up or not, and that's the thing. When you do shake it up, you notice the difference. So that's what I do like about it. I think the dual purpose is actually accurate in this. I don't think it's just a gimmick or a little like, ooh, something to do. No, like, you notice the difference between when you do shake it up, when you don't shake it up. For that, I do like it because I feel like that's just honesty, and you didn't just like make a product, put something out there to have like a dual facial mist. Like, no. Like, you really thought this through, and you can feel the difference in heaviness. When I put it on with just the base layer, it's kind of just like, it's like a refreshing mist. It definitely still gives you that settling veil, but then when I do shake it, it does turn it up a notch, and you can really feel it. And that's just what I really appreciate about this one. Like, I feel it, I really like it. I don't have any cons about this product. I really don't. The price is high, but honestly, that's their prerogative. This does retail for $36. But because I've used this every day and I still have so much left, and they do have a smaller size of this. I am giving you the prices of the full biggest size that they carry, by the way. So there are smaller, more travel size that you can test and see. Next is their One Perfect Youth Cream. This is a cream moisturizer. It is an age-defying, brightening, nourishing, and moisturizing. So this retails for $48. This boost is supposed to protect your skin barrier, soothe and firm your skin, and also be deeply moisturizing. As far as the ingredients, it has a niacinamide, vitamin E, adenosine. Wow, I can't read my own writing. Adenosine. And it's naturally occurring in your body. I love most ingredients that I find. Like, I use Paula's Choice, I use Skin Charisma, I use all kinds of websites to find this information. Anything that I've ever used, it, like, when I look it up, it says naturally occurring in the body. I notice jives a little better with my skin, but it's supposed to be proven anti-wrinkle benefits because it does energize and smooth your skin. I like this. This is a thick cream though. Like, it's not for the weak. It is for all skin types. That's how they advertise it. Personally, I do not believe that. I think it's great for dry skin. I think it's good for dry weather, and I think it's a really good night cream. So I am combination skin, as I've mentioned. So for this is something I have tried it during the day. I didn't have a problem with it, but it just wasn't like my vibe. And I use a lot of moisturizing things in my routine right now, like a lot of serums and oils, even during the day, that it just became a bit too much. So this was kind of like the first thing that was like, okay, I'm gonna switch to something a little lighter. But at night, I really do like it. I love the texture of this product. I tried to show you guys, but I don't know how well it turned out. But yeah, it's a really nice, like whipped, moussey texture. It's quite luxurious and really nice. It's very rich. It does have ingredients that could clog your pores and be comedogenic, so I would worry about that if you are prone to that. But for oily skin, you know, I would just beware, maybe try a sample and then see what it does for you. If you have dry skin, honestly, this might be baby for you. It really, really might. It's just rich, but it's not too much. It sinks in. It's not greasy. Like I just put it on my hand. My hand just feels soft, but it's not like any more reflective than my hand. Like it doesn't leave that greasy residue. So I like this. It's definitely my winter cream for sure. It's just like, it's nice. It's a nice night cream. It's a nice season changer. It's just nice. I like it. But it does have a 6-month shelf life, so beware. And then next, I wish I had it on me. I really, really wish I did, but I couldn't help myself. The best sheet mask I've ever used. I just like, I don't even want to overhype it. That's why I honestly, like, I was feeling a little tired. I hadn't had enough coffee, but here we go. We got to sip because I'm about to go buck wild. Like I'm about to basically scream it at the top of my lungs. If there's one thing you should try, and luckily enough, if you want just one of these sheet masks to try, it's only $6. So we're on the, you know, like we ain't even pushing the crazy stuff, bro. It is the Sweet Enough Rescue Mask, y'all. Hands down, best sheet mask I've ever used. Hands fucking down. There's nothing that has come close. There is nothing that has come close. There is not even one. There's no other moisturizing mask that has even come close. I'm talking about overnight cream masks. I'm talking about any type of way around, I'm just here to moisturize you and get you right. Yeah, no. They don't compare. The bar has been raised to a ridiculous level. So if you want one of these sheet masks, it's $6. If you want to get the 5-pack, it's $25. I recommend, honestly, if you haven't tried it, try it. But then like, oh, girl, get that 6-pack or get the 5-pack because, oh my God, it's so good. Let me just get into it. So it claims to be a luxurious skin restoration and that it drenches the skin. Good for like when you're about to be hormonal, which is what I could have used earlier because I have a huge pimple right now. But yeah, I'm on my period. But oh, that's why I'm so tired. Okay, sorry, crackhead energy. Here we go. But yeah, so it has licorice root, which is to fight acne and brighten your skin. Niacinamide, which also brightens your skin. Also anti-aging ceramides and that adenosine that I mentioned earlier. Pros of this, not a single comedogenic freaking ingredient. Not one in this entire mask. It is such a safe bet of everything that is here because they do use fruit oils and seed oils, so there are some fungal acne triggers, and if you know that you have fungal acne triggers, I would definitely just look at the ingredients and see if any of those match up with you. But this is such a safe bet, and it's just like, oh my God, I can't. Not only is that, like, I was surprised that it didn't have any comedogenic properties because it's so moisturizing. Like when it says it drenches your skin, it's not a joke. It's not playing around with you. Like it's really not playing around. It just busts in, it does its job, and it weaves. But it doesn't really weave. And that's what makes me love this because sheet masks are so like, they're fun. I wouldn't say they're cute, but they're definitely fun. And they make you feel like you're having an experience, which I've always loved. Like why not? But the next morning, am I really feeling like anything? Not really. This one, yes. You'll feel everything. You'll feel everything that you felt the night before when you took it off. Until the next, literally, and it's not even until the next morning. It's like the next morning when you wash your face, you're like, holy shit. Like it's still on there. It's like this, I'm trying to describe it, guys, but I'm getting really excited. But it's like, moisturize your skin, right? But like it's the texture of it, like the texture of your skin after is almost silicone-y. But you know when there's like a silicone Smashbox primer, you know that little feeling, that little but it's like, no, like it's my skin, bro. Like it's, but I'm so serious, y'all. Like and you feel like that the next morning. You feel like that when you take it off. You feel like that literally like, oh, it's so good. I would say you have to wash it off. You have to wash your face probably like twice before you don't feel that like buttery, like it's like there's just like an extra little layer of velvet on your skin. Like, oh my God. I don't want to hype it up too much because it really does speak for its effing self. Like, it's a bad bitch, y'all. It is a bad bitch. Like, I have to give it to it. If there's one thing that I would love to just like gift all my friends, like have a great fucking night, self-care Sunday, honey, like it would be this mask because it's just that good. Like, it's luxurious. That's exactly what it says it is. It is luxurious. It feels like money on your skin. I can't even talk about it anymore. I have no contour. I have none. The price point is right. The what you're getting is right. It isn't gonna clog your pores. I have nothing to say. I'm just so impressed. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this one, don't forget to leave a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvonne Brooke. And other than that, this video found you in the best place possible. Bye.